Hi friends, welcome to my channel Starting Friend. Today I'm going to talk about this cryptocurrency, that is Tomi coin. In this video I'll be talking about latest technical answers, so let's begin. This video is for educational purpose only, no financial advice. Do your research before you take up any decision. So you can see the current price is 0.40, that $1158. It is down by 37%, and you can see rank is around 3291 position. Around 36k users are following this cryptocurrency. The market cap is $49k and the volume in 24 hours is $1.88 million. It is down by 13%. So now I'll go to the chart and see how the candles are moving. You can see that I'm in the weekly chart, and let me draw the trend line. So you can see previously the candles were moving in upward direction here, and then continuously the fall was happening after the breakout. You can see, if you draw the trend line, you can see this is support and this is the resistance. Okay, so within this channel pattern only candles are falling. So previously you can see uptrend was going on, and then after the breakout the downtrend is going on. So if you draw the trend line here, you can see this is the resistance trend line. Okay, and you can see continuously the candles are falling. So after the fall, you can see candles have started moving up to the resistance level. So if you draw the trend line here, you can see after taking support, the candles are moving in this channel pattern. So this is support and this is the resistance. Okay, so within this channel pattern only the fall is happening, and you can see previously after this fall the candles have gone up. Again you can see breakout happened and then candles started falling. So if you draw the trend line, you can see, so previously you can see candles went up and then you can see the downtrend started. So this is the support trend line and this is the resistance trend line. Okay, so within this channel pattern only the fall is taking place. Okay, so you can see after this fall it has taken support, it has gone to the resistance level. So you can see if you go to the daily chart, you can see candles are now moving near to the resistance level. So if you draw the trend line, you can see this is the support trend line. Okay, and this is the resistance trend line. So within this channel pattern only the candles are moving now. Okay, and you can see if you go to the 4 hours chart, you can see after this fall candles went up, again the fall is happening. Okay, so you can see if you draw the trend line, you can see this is the resistance trend line and it has given a breakout. So candles will move in this a little sideways, and after the breakout it may go up. Again the fall may take place, again go up. So like this it may move in this channel pattern. Okay, so until it is not reaching final resistance level, and then from there if the breakout happened it may go to the resistance level, then fall may take place. So like this then move, and if there is a breakout happens from here, it may start moving in a upward direction. So currently for a time being the candles are moving in this downtrend channel pattern. You can see that very clearly. Okay, and if there is a breakout happens, then candles may start moving in a upward direction towards this resistance level. Okay, so it may go to the resistance level and then fall may take place. If there is a breakout happen, it may go further. So always check the previous records how the candles are moving. Based on that you can look for the future movement. Okay, so now we'll talk about another cryptocurrency, that is VANRY chain coin or VANRY coin. Current price is $0.02750. It is up by 1.68%. Rank is around 559. Position around 120k users are following this cryptocurrency. Market cap is $55 million and the volume in 24 hours is $7.79 million. It is down by 3%. So now I'll go to the chart and see how the candles are moving. So you can see that I'm in the monthly chart. So let me draw the trend line. So you can see this is the support trend line and this is the resistance trend line. Okay, this is the resistance, and previously you can see candles went up and then fall happened. So candles came down to support and then again it started moving up, and then again the fall is taking place. So if you draw the trend line, so previously you can see candles were moving in upward direction. Okay, so you can see that the candles were moving in upward direction, and then you can see breakout happened and then candles started falling. So if you draw the trend line here, you can see this is a support and this is the resistance. So there is a resistance over here and there is a resistance over here. So within this channel pattern only the fall was taking place. And if you go to the weekly chart, you can see after this candles came down support, now you can see candles are moving little sideways. So this is the resistance trend line. Okay, so within this channel pattern only the candles are moving now, so you can see very clearly. So always check the previous records how the candles are moving. Based on that you can plan for the future of the candles. Okay, so you can see after this candles came down to support level, so this is support and this is resistance. Okay, and after the breakout it has gone up. Okay, so very clearly you can see again the fall happened. So you can see this is the support trend line, and this is the okay, so let me draw the trend line here. So this is a support trend line. Okay, and you can see after the fall the candle started moving up. So this is the resistance trend line. So you can see that very clearly that after this candles came down to support, it went up. Now the fall is taking place, so candles will come down to the support level, and once the breakout it will move in this downtrend channel pattern. After the breakout it may go up, and again the fall may take place, and then finally if the breakout happens, then candles may move to this resistance level and then fall may take place. If there is a breakout happens, then candles may move to this resistance level and then fall may take place, or else the candles will move in sideways for some time, and after the breakout it may start moving in a upward direction. So you can see that very clearly. So since the fall is happening, RSI is also confirming that the downtrend is going on, and when the reversal takes place you may see a breakout and candles may go to the resistance level. So that's all for now. I hope you like this video. Please like, share, subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.